In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change the order of the auctions on your home page. And the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the site configs option turned on. And to do that, you just go onto your My Site settings, scroll down to where it says site configuration, and then it's this one right here where it says homepage sorting. Just make sure that you have it set to homepage manager and not end time. But once you do, go back to your website and you'll see a new tab under content management at the top of your page called homepage manager, and go ahead and click on that. And so what you see here is all the auctions that I have currently live on my website, starting with the title, then the start and end times, and then the sort order. So by that I mean if it's 1, it's at the top of the page, and 6 at the bottom of the page. And then lastly we have the actions, and this is where you can do the rearranging. So what you can do is you can either move each auction up or down, and the way this works is by clicking down, you move that auction down 1 slot, or by clicking up, you move it up 1 slot as well. So if you move the first one down, you'll be swapping the number 1 and number 2 with each other. So the second one is now at the top. The changes are made automatically, and once you go back onto your homepage, you'll see the changes. And that's it for this video. Thank you again for watching.